Hello students, good morning everybody. We would like to complete strong ammonia solution. Ammonia solution is a solution of ammonia gas in water. As it is a solution, it occurs in liquid state. It is a clear, colorless liquid. It has pungent odor. Pungent means disagreeable odor. Ammonia gas is present in urine. Urine has bad odor, which is the odor of ammonia gas. So ammonia solution is having bad odor, that is pungent odor. Ammonia solution is a solution of ammonia gas in water. Hence, it indicates that it is soluble in water. Its aqueous solution has alkaline pH. It is caustic in nature. Caustic means if the solution becomes in contact with skin or tissue, it shows irritatory effect or the burning sensation for skin. Hence, we have to avoid the contact of such caustic material, caustic solution with skin. We don't have to touch such solution with skin or any organ of our body, any part of our body. Dilute ammonia solution has specific gravity of about 0.96. Students, we have to think about the storage condition of strong ammonia solution. As ammonia solution is affected by light, hence it is stored in light resistant container, that is in a amber colored bottles or blue colored bottles. As ammonia solution is a solution of gas in water, mostly the rate of evolution of gas is directly proportional to the temperature. That means at high temperature the rate of evolution of gas is more, that is loss of ammonia gas is more at high temperature. So the strong ammonia solution should be stored at cool place. That means the storage condition of ammonia gas is of it should be stored in well tightly closed light resistant container at a temperature not more than 20 degrees centigrade. At the same time, the ammonia solution may react with metals. Hence, the stopper of solution, the stopper of container should be of rubber or non-metal. Hence, again I will repeat the storage condition of strong ammonia solution, that is it should be stored in well tightly closed light resistant container at a temperature not more than 20 degrees centigrade. The stopper of container should be of rubber or non-metal. Now we have to think about the handling precautions of strong ammonia solution. As ammonia solution is a solution of ammonia gas in water, ammonia gas is caustic in nature, ammonia gas has unpleasant odor, and at the same time the ammonia gas is producing irritatory effect on the eyes as well as respiratory tract, and it may produces suffocation. So with consideration of such physical properties, we have to take a lot of precaution while handling of strong ammonia solution. So first precaution is we should have to cool the container before opening, because the loss of gas is more at high temperature, and as the rate of evolution of gas is increases with increase in temperature, so that means there will be the loss of ammonia gas from the ammonia solution. Once all of the ammonia gas is evolved into the atmosphere, the remaining solution is nothing but water. So we have to take a lot of precaution for preventing the loss of ammonia gas. So for that purpose, we have to cool the temperature before opening the strong ammonia solution container. At the same time, we have to keep on the mouth of container cloth, cotton or similar material. As if we will keep the cloth, cotton or similar material on the mouth of container, so it will prevent the loss of ammonia gas. At the same time, we have to avoid its inhalation, because by inhalation of such ammonia gas may produces suffocation. So in suffocation condition, we cannot remain in a live condition for a long duration. So we have to take a lot of precaution to avoid the suffocation. At the same time, this ammonia gas may produces irritation for the eyes and respiratory tract. So for avoiding the suffocation as well as irritation for eyes and respiratory tract, we have to avoid its inhalation. Then we have to keep our face at a distance. Mostly whenever we are opening any container, so at that time we are keeping our face on the container or near to the container. So if we will open in such a way the strong ammonia solution container, then it may produces irritatory effect on the eyes as well as respiratory tract. So to avoid this, we have to keep our face at a distance while opening the strong ammonia solution container. And the last and most important precaution which we have to take for handling of strong ammonia solution container is avoiding the taste, because it is of caustic in nature, and for taking the taste we have to touch the solution to the tongue. Tongue is the most soft organ of our body. If the soft organ is becoming in contact with the caustic solution, so that may produces hazardous effect on the tongue, or it may give the burning sensation to the tongue. So to avoid this burning sensation, we have to avoid for taking the taste of such strong ammonia solution. That means we have to remember for the four most important words regarding the handling of strong ammonia solution, and that are nothing but cool, inhalation, face and taste. If we will consider the first letter of these four words, so we will get CIFT, which means shift. And I think all of us can easily remember the word shift, and with the help of this shift word we can easily remember for the handling precautions of strong ammonia solution. I think all of us are understanding this handling precautions of strong ammonia solution easily, and I think this is the most important part which may be asked for many times in the final examination. So best of luck for everybody, and you can prepare this matter easily. Okay student, I think we have to stop here.
दीदीला पाठव बरं. पप्पा बोलवायले राधिका दीदीला.